Crunchy chicken.
This chicken was once alive.
Fried.
Subscribe to this channel for latest
Makeup. Oh, geez.
You want to look younger?
Said them.
Please subscribe.
Gave him my all, I believe in us.
See, DIY queen. DIY queen. Oh, let me carpenter. Let me decorator. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Vlogmas 2. I am just about to hang my wallflower, and I'm going to be doing carpenter's work. So I'm going to be trying to hang these on the wall. So I'm going to start with that. Then I'm going to do my makeup, and after that I'm going to film a Q&A for YouTube. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let's go straight into it.
As I'm walking through the place, I'm shaking. Your picture was in my mind. I cannot stop losing you. No, I will fight. 'Cause I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us. Please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. It's like you almost know what I am thinking. 'Cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. 'Cause you're the best thing, best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing.
So guys, in the what's it called? In the sunflower, there are like tiny holes at the back that you can use to attach to the wall. So that's what I'm doing now. That's what I'm using to attach it to the flower. And on the flower you have this tiny like pointy things that you can just attach this to. So that's what I'm doing right now. Anyways guys, okay, bring the new, let me hold this part. See, DIY queen. DIY queen. Oh, let me carpenter. Let me decorator.
It's like we're done before we even start.
So guys, I'm about to start filming my Q&A now. Wow, I really like this background. Oh my gosh.
I believe in us.
Guys, so I am about to leave the house now. I am supposed to see my best friend from secondary school. She's around. We're supposed to hang out, but she's sleeping in her house. So I'm going to drag her out. We might just decide to chill indoors, so yeah, I am about to leave the house now to go there. So yes, guys, I'm going to show you guys what I'm wearing now. So guys, I actually want to stop by Chicken Republic to just get something. That's it, sir. To just get something.
We'll fight. 'Cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us. Please don't give up.
So guys, I'm at Chicken Republic, but the line is long. So I'm VIP, you know. I don't want to mingle. I beg Nana you. I just want to sit down here for a bit, chill for like 10 minutes, then my sweat dry, and when people on the line are less, I would go and place my order. Then I continue my journey. So yep.
It's like you almost know what I am thinking. 'Cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you.
Somebody is shouting African Queen to follow me. I know the answer. I don't know you. If I knew you, you would know my name, you know? So guys, just go here. So you cannot come and open the door for me. Go out. Eh? Hey. Arowa. It's only you. Tell us the camera.
What?
So guys, this is Ella, my bestie from DDS. Why are you? Don't make this weird. Please, I beg you. Okay, so we are about to eat. Okay, first let's show them what we're eating.
Okay, yeah, we can definitely do that.
This is from Chicken Republic. This is fried rice and crunchy chicken.
Can you see? Coleslaw?
Yes.
Call it now.
Salad.
Coleslaw.
Salad.
Coleslaw.
Salad. Coleslaw is the one that has macaroni inside now.
Hey! I hear me to me
I'm going to Google this later, and we're going to Google this and
Okay.
coleslaw for me, salad for her. Then whatever we're working with.
It's share the same thing, right?
There's plenty cream inside.
Okay, we have water here. Uniben table water. And
Carbonated drinks.
Yes.
And I'm taking Coca-Cola.
this is Sprite. Coca-Cola. Lemon lime flavor Sprite.
Coca-Cola with a mix of solo.
No. Sure.
Oh, it is.
The best thing, you're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing.
So I'm seeing YouTube for the first time in like how many months? Is it up to
It's not a year, sure.
give or take 8 or 9 months?
Yeah.
Again, if I was pregnant, I would have a child by now. Just putting that out there.
If you were pregnant, you have a child then.
That doesn't mean there's
I
long.
hope you are not pregnant. Because you are not married.
It's like
That means it's about to happen. Whether you like it
No,
or
no,
not,
no.
Ella, the man will find you in the mighty name of Jesus. Because you're always inside the house. When she's in Lagos, always indoors. She doesn't go out except for work or something.
that. It's not. So, Yuki and I work. I think we have different work lives, and I'm really curious to know how she's able to like manage being an entrepreneur and actually have a corporate job. You know, it's ridiculously intense. So, but at the same time, I feel like working in the corporate sphere is as difficult as, you know,
It's hard. It's not easy.
because I can only imagine working for someone and then having to go to work every day and then smile and be
Wake
friendly
up
with everyone.
Imagine waking up very early, then you have to be in the office by 8 o'clock. Before 8 o'clock or 8 o'clock.
But the luck is here in Benin. I know that the hold up is getting intense.
But it's better than Lagos.
But
For me, I just usually do makeup jobs on weekends.
oh, okay, that makes sense.
So during weekdays, I know that it's just. But most of the time, if I want to post on Instagram or YouTube, I usually record weekends, Friday, Saturday. Then I edit. Then maybe Sunday evening or Monday morning I post. So when I'm at work, I'm just going to comment, responding to
Oh, okay,
and stuff like that.
I guess that's like the balance in this.
The bad thing is that you don't have rest. You're not getting enough rest. You're always stressed.
That's part of being an adult. They didn't prepare us for this part, but you know.
And I remember when we used to watch Barbie. When we used to do slumber party.
I still watch Barbie.
So dry.
But life was so much easier back then, man. This year has been quite hard, to be honest. So if you're there and you're alive, obviously you're alive because you can watch it. You're doing good, stay alive.
Yes.
Stay safe.
Be grateful.
Because
Reality of life.
it happened.
Another thing, Ella, you stop procrastinating.
We? Oh.
You in particular, you are always procrastinating. We'll do our nails, we'll do our this, we'll go out, take pictures, photo shoots, this. When she now finally comes, she now look herself. I hope as beautiful as she is, she now look herself.
I like to recharge. Love me nonetheless, so that's a peck.
What can I do now? I can't throw you away. I have to manage.
You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the
Crunchy chicken.
This chicken was once alive.
Right. Stop it. Stop it, okay? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Chicken always has the best.
The spice hits perfectly. If you don't want to, you can just add it to mine.
And it's very slow. It's torture. I hope I'm going halfway. I'm almost done. Yeah.
Don't eat when you're talking. Don't talk when you're eating. Is that the point?
It works.
Okay, nothing much. Just work. Makeup. Oh, my studio.
I don't know that yet. Love to before I go.
I see a work in progress.
I mean,
Well,
you're doing good, so proud of you.
Oh my god, I'm blushing. Thank you.
best thing.
What's that with them? I mean, I have like a very cute straw. I was going to show you. Just George. Nothing else. You're supposed to be like, oh my god, new straw. Say, oh my god, new straw.
Oh my god, new straw.
Thank you. It's fine.
Two of these because I'm still hungry.
Yuki is done. I'm still here. Like it's
not done.
It's embarrassing at this point. You're not done. How are we gonna give the dogs? I mean,
Which dogs? Because don't do that around here. We crack every bone.
On you, I will be
but now that I have all the posts for I'm sure I'm going to ask
Salad.
I'm going to Google this right now. It's cool stuff. You know?
'Cause you're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had.
Can we show you? It's coleslaw, right? Coleslaw.
Also called
Let me
salad.
Google what salad looks like. Let me Google. What to Google?
Whatever.
This is what salad is. This is salad. Okay?
Salad.
I won this round.
As I'm walking to your place, I'm shaking. 'Cause I believe in us. I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us. Please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. It's like you almost know what I am thinking. 'Cause I believe
Like craft, from school, scrapbook, all the little cute things with Barbie stickers and all of that. So eventually made that into something I can make money from, and So I don't only curate gifts. I literally hand make most of the items that I sell. This is being wrapped right now. Oh, this is the name of my brand.
Pink Dynasty.
Yeah, it's been wrapped like it's a Christmas bundle, so I can't bring it out right now. But don't worry, the next time we'll be making a video together. Are you ready?
No.
There will be more details of work and stuff. But I don't know if I'll be able to make a YouTube channel. But I think I'm gonna try TikTok, DIYs and stuff.
Did you
for
not set
TikTok.
up a YouTube channel already?
I did, but I don't use it. So maybe when I do like short TikTok videos, I might just do a compilation and post them on YouTube. That might just be a starting point for me, because it's really time. It's really time. To get older, it really gets crazier.
Hey, Ella was in Omale's video, guys. Damn, check out that video. My girl was this. My goddess. I just remembered. So I just needed to put it out there.
Yeah, hi.
Yeah. That's she right there.
you're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing. 'Cause you're the
Thank you.
You always dance when you eat.
Food makes me happy.
What's your ability to make things out of the tiniest things? Not necessarily the tiniest things, but like you're so creative.
Oh
Remember
my
sending
gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Sorry.
I remember sending you I remember you made like earrings out of like like, oh my god.
That was a long time ago.
It's still like I always remember it, and I'm like,
Thank you. My second superpower.
I hated secondary school. Just putting it out there.
People thought we were lesbians in secondary school. Just putting it out there.
It's funny. We're sort of related.
Yeah, I couldn't.
Literally, we didn't know we were related until we got to school. We met, and then was it S3? But then school was just so much going on. It was like the scene out of The Mean Girls. I don't know if you've seen the movie. And I was practically the villain in all of the episodes. It was ridiculous. But you would never. When I think about it now, it's almost like.
I mean, everybody liked you actually. Even though they liked you in your front, and maybe
then,
some
yeah.
of them at the back, but people genuinely, like, there were people that genuinely liked you.
Really?
Me,
Didn't feel like that though, but okay.
people just used to laugh at me. See her tiny legs, she's like a broom. And the reason why I really love Ella, that people will not understand, because she helped me a lot in secondary school. Like,
That's news to me.
Could have fallen into depression because every time somebody said something bad about me, Ella was always there to tell me, "That's not you. This is you. This is who you are. Made in the image and likeness of God." You know, this kind of people that know past their self, like they are smarter than their age. That's the kind of person that she is. So as at that time, I was just the tiny girl in class, like you're about to break. Like you hear them laughing.
People are so unnecessarily mean.
And now they want to be your friend. I'm like
people are so unnecessarily mean. You would, when I think about it and go back, and there's one scene I would never forget. I always, like I said, I love scrapbooking and stuff, so I always kept a diary.
I'm like, give me your food.
This is how mean.
I'm finished.
This is how folks were in school. At one point, it was break time. Yuki and I, we all went out and stuff. And then I came back to someone finding my bag, breaking into my bag, and going through my stuff, bringing out my diary, and it was a nightmare.
I think they read everything.
Yes. Of course, you guys were mean, so I'm going to write about how mean you bitches were. It was as simple as that. There wasn't gonna. But then I was young, and then but it taught me a very great lesson. I don't fuck with people as much as I did back in school. It taught me so much.
So knows how to cut people.
I can sleep and wake up and just. I think I was from school. I think I got blessed with the gift of goodbye. I'm all about vibrations and frequency. If we're not vibrating on the same frequency, then bye, we're good. You can do you, but I wouldn't hate you. You see, that's the thing. There's one time I used to tell you that I wish a few of them were dead. Deep in my heart, of course, but I had to outgrow that because at some point you have to look back and be like, we're all children, and we have to grow. People learn. Some people are what's the word now? They are better than they used to be. And then as you get older, you learn that people don't necessarily hate you, they really hate themselves. So it's like projection. So I mean, look at me, I'm all that on a bag of chips. Okay, and Oreos, I love Oreos, so, and Nutella. So there's a list that goes on, and look at her, she's beautiful. So I don't know why we thought a second thought that we're in all that, because we are, obviously. So yeah, it was mainly jealousy, hatred, and projection.
It was a sad
but it was really, really. And then when I see people who used to be these sort of people come to me, I'm like, oh my god, I'm like, bitch. Wait, what? Did you? Are you talking about it? So sometimes I deliberately post on my Instagram, like, if we went to high school together and you see me in ShopRite and we haven't spoken since high school because you were a whole bitch, leave me the fuck alone. Don't put me in a tight condition where I have to be all smiley and be like, oh my god, it's been a while. It's not been a while, I have not been thinking about you. You're dead to me. You get? But I'm just putting it out there in case you all get to see this. Fuck you. But it's still the same. The same energy though. So, keeping the same energy. But on the real, no, we're over that. But I feel like you should be able to be who you are. If you want to be a bitch, be a bitch.
With your full chest. Don't come and start pretending later.
Now,
to be my
that's
friend.
one thing I can't really deal with, and that's why I really, really, really am no longer friends with lots of people, especially from school. Like, I love you guys who went to school together. We had a whole, we had our lives. But if you don't like me, if you don't like us, if you don't, it's fine. I feel like it's okay to not like people. It's really okay to not like people.
Everybody.
You can like everybody, and you cannot please everybody. That's another thing people fail to understand. You can like everyone, you can please everyone, and it's okay. Just be yourself. You don't have to force people down your own throat, because at the end of the day, it's gonna make you uncomfortable, and then you're gonna be a whole fraud. That would just suck. So.
Very bully.
So yeah, back on the bully shit. If you were a bully in high school, and if you are, I think most of them still grow up to still be bullies in their workplaces unconsciously. Because females, I have to say this, it's bottom tier behavior. It's like, there is space for everybody on the table, right? Although you're not welcome to my table.
That
but
one is for the topic for another day. And they are the same people that will come out to say,
I'm shouting empowerment.
Support your girls.
You get, it's like,
What's
going on? Like, shut the fuck up. It's ridiculous.
But another thing is, when you grow up to a certain age, there's some things that are excusable when you are really young. But when you now have sense, And you are now blaming it and saying, oh, you're being mean to people, you're being wicked to people. And you're saying, oh, it's because I didn't grow up with my father.
So
if you're like that, just change. Turn a new leaf, okay?
because it only makes you look bitter and sad. And we need more women to be empowering.
And men too.
And men too. But it's very easy to turn females against each other. It's the easiest thing. It's the easiest thing. It's like it's very simple and it's quite sad. So, but I feel like we're gonna have more of this.
Yes.
So at least one more, if I call. So this was fun.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe. And yes, mommy's here already. So
Do you want to share that video?
you want to say hello? I'm saying no make out. Say hello.
Just say hello.
They can't see you.
This is my mommy.
It's very obvious.
I need to be made up
Wow. Don't worry, mommy. We'll make you up, okay?
for
Okay,
birthday.
Mommy, tell them to subscribe to my channel.
Please subscribe to this channel for latest.
Yes.
Makeup.
Oh, gee.
You want to look younger?
Said them.
Please subscribe.
Hey.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year,
Happy New Year,
guys.
Love you.
Bye.